We're back.
Kitchen. We are back.
Frank's
we are
here.
going to be Frank's here. It's half term. So we got rid of the gremlins, and I've kept the old quiet one with me, the angelic one of the lot.
Yeah.
That's a load of rubbish as well. Right, we're going to be doing bacon wrap halloumi. The other day, Auntie Sue popped down, and we had a Turkish breakfast.
Picture.
And we had halloumi, stuck it in the air fryer. Oh my God, bruv. That was some soft bread. She had some Turkish bread in it. Oh, it was amazing, it was, Cal.
Apparently this levels up from pigs in blankets.
I would say so. I'm a halloumi fan at the moment. I've got one of these in my fridge, actually. I bought it yesterday. I'm a bit of a halloumi fan. It's very salty. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
That saltiness there with the bacon as well. Do you want to do it as one big chunk, or should we do it in... what do you want to do?
I'll say a couple of strips.
Is that how you saw it? Well, you got some bacon there, boy.
I know.
Yeah,
Taking the rest back.
Well, you're hungry, mate. You ain't taking it back. We'll eat it, mate. You don't bring it to site and think you're going to take bacon.
I'll eat it.
Yeah, of course we will.
You're doing fingers.
Right, here we go. So we're going to get a halloumi. This is our makeshift bald. Nice chunky, yeah? Like that.
Yeah, nice. Oh, Jim's here.
Of course he's here. It's food related. Food related, mate, right? Look at him. He's busting to get up there. Another thing, we just wrap the whole thing down. Jimmy, get down. And that'll go in the air fryer like that. Very simple, leveled up, pigs in blankets to the next style. We go again like that. How simple is that, Cal?
That is fairly simple.
Very simple. And we're going to go in the air fryer for about 15 minutes, I reckon.
Yeah?
Literally
15?
cooking. You're cooking the bacon. You're cooking the bacon. What did you think you're going to go in there for?
5?
No, longer than 5.
Yeah,
Cal.
yeah.
You've got to cook the bacon, bro. I reckon 10. Yeah, 15 minutes. I reckon you'd be surprised there. 15 minutes in there. They're going to be little parcels of delight, mate. Very nice. Do 2 more. Nice little parcels of magic going on. We have to do 2 shifts on this, I think, because we're going to cram it otherwise. It's a shame, isn't it? Can we get them in there? Right, we're going to go in there with 4. Give it a bit of space, otherwise it'll sweat. In there, 180 Calv. 15 minutes. Come back to me in 15 minutes. Hey, Calvin.
I am ready.
Are you ready for a little bit of magical?
Wasn't that long either.
That was about 12 minutes. 12 minutes.
Cool.
Oh,
yes.
yeah, baby. Look at them beautiful pieces of cheese wrapped in pig.
Halloumi pigs.
Halloumi pig. Right, we're going to go in with that as well.
Halloumi.
Now to put them 2 in there as well while we're here. Get them cooking. Turn them around. Look at them, Frank. What do you reckon, son?
I'm eating it.
No? Ethan would, wouldn't you, Eth?
Well, of course I will, mate.
Nice bit of halloumi there. It's hot though. It's hot to try. Touchy, touchy, hot, hot, hot.
Oh, that is touchy, touchy, hot, hot.
Touchy, touchy. Calvin?
Nice though.
Yes. Take my word for it. These are going to be delicious. Give them a try.
Let us know if you try them.
Halloumi is lovely. And so is the bacon. Look, he's red hot, bro. He's red hot.
I couldn't wait.
He's red hot. We'll do them in a minute, mate. We're going to try them in a minute. We'll try them in a minute. You can do a review on them as well.